Hi everyone, it's me, Spring, the fiber enthusiast. Today we're going to play with intentionally dropping a stitch and fixing it. That's right. We are going to do this in Stockinet to start with, and maybe I'll make a video on how to fix it in Garter later. So, are you new to knitting and you're wondering, what are they talking about? A dropped stitch? Well, all it means is you were working along and somewhere, some way, somehow, which is very easily done, say you go to knit two together and somehow instead of getting both the stitches, you only end up with one. Well, what will happen is when this stitch comes off, I'm just going to shove it off the end right here. When that stitch comes off and you knit the next stitch, you now have a stitch that dropped. There we are. See it pop out the front here? So I'm going to place that stitch back on to the needle. And I'm going to go ahead and pull out a few so we can fix a few. So this is, it's kind of like a runner in your pantyhose. So once it starts, if you don't stop it, it's going to continue. Now there's a couple of ways you can stop it and come back to it, you know, as quick as possible, because the more rows you go, the more of a pain it's going to be to fix. So you want to fix it pretty much as soon as you find it. So what you would do is just put a stitch marker in it, you know, get things tidied up and situated. Pull your needles up into your work. That way you don't lose them while you're fixing this dropped stitch. So as you can see here, we have lots of these vertical bars. There is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to need a crochet hook, preferably a little bit smaller than the needles that you're working with. And then you'll remove your stitch marker and pick up that loop with your crochet hook. Now this part is the fun part for me. You're going to go up to your next vertical bar, sliding your hook under it. So we're still on the front side of our work. You're going to slide your hook under and bring it through. And you can see how we've now picked up a new stitch. Once again, I'm going to zoom in really close so you can watch this. So here's my hook. There's my next vertical bar. I want to slide my hook under that vertical bar and bring that vertical bar through the loop that was on my hook already. Okay, we're going to do that a couple more times. Under, pick it up, pull it through. Okay, so we're going to do that one more time. As you see, there's several different plies here to this yarn. It is not fun to work with, so you could actually very easily drop a stitch. Again, we're going to turn it and pull it through like that. Now, once you've got it back up to your needles, you're checking to make sure all your stitches are in line. And you want to make sure that you put your new stitch onto your needle properly. If you put it on where the left leg is up, the next stitch you make will twist your stitch. If you place the loop onto your needle with the right leg up, the next stitch that you make will have it going correctly. So that's important when you're picking up your stitches, that you place them onto your needle properly, or you will have twisted stitches. So I'm going to place that onto the needle like that. Now I'm ready to knit that stitch. And I'm going to keep you up close and personal for this particular stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and knit this stitch exactly as I regularly would. Like that. Now I'm going to knit to the end of the row, just so that way we can look at it, the row completely finished. There you go. That is how you fix a dropped stitch stockinette knitting. Very, very simple to do. Now, the more design and pattern and direction of stitches that you have to follow, the more complicated it is. But that is the basic way of picking up a dropped stitch. All right, everyone, be blessed, be a blessing, and until next time, bye for now.